Hello everyone, here at IST with the weekly analysis for the week 23 to 27th June. Well, before jumping in this week, I am break down a little bit what the previous week and what we expected and what happened. As I said in the previous video, I did expect the price to run a little bit higher. I didn't expect to swipe the last week and then lower. Didn't run as low as I expected, but the the expectations were fulfilled. Going zooming in on daily. You see here is the Monday began with a pretty big opening gap, then run straight higher, and then low. I expect it again to go lower, but you have to admit that you cannot control the market. Um, Going on 4 hours, I mapped here the Friday open. We took liquidity from the Friday open, and then struggle to close above the high of this candle, this big candle here. Run very very high. I personally here I would have entered like just like this a trade, stop loss above the high, and wha- whatever you wanna target, you could have targeted the low. Or this was so not you, but this was what I uh, would have done. As I said, I didn't. I don't have an account right now. I keep you updated when I take a account. But yeah, this was what I have looked for. Pretty much respected the previous analysis. If I would have missed the low here, the entry here, right here, not wait, excuse me, right here, this candle made a changing of character and aligned with my predictions, and I could have entered right here, stop loss above this high and target this low, or uh, you got you got one more chance here on Tuesday. If you jump back on 1 hour, I usually don't, but sometimes I do. Uh, yeah. well, Um, you see, you respected the imbalance here. You didn't take liquidity. Well, you could have entered here, but would have been very hard to place your stop loss. So after this church here, you could have entered. This was a trade like this, okay? Still targeting the low was not well, not a very good risk reward, but look 101 in wait here in 2 hours or something like this. This was the second target, 1.8 risk reward. And yeah, pretty much those were the trades I would have taken, nothing more. Here I don't think I would have been long. Um, the market told you that it's willing to change. You have the high, you made the low, you made the high, swap liquidity below the low, and then turn bullish. Then you got um a very very good entry. I mean, on every point on this here, you could have entered. Okay, so now let's jump straight to the analysis. Um, maybe let's let those. I'm gonna clean up here. Okay. Well, it's this is going to be deleted. I will let everything here because the structure for our stays in place. Um, let's look on monthly. As I said, I am gonna let the monthly imbalance till the end of the month. See what happen, if it will be respected or not. Um, yes, nothing too much didn't change. I'm confused on monthly. I won't take action in on monthly. Um, right now looks bullish, but we wait till the end of the month, and this is the last week. The coming week is the last week. So now on the weekly time frame, we see that we didn't broke the high, we didn't close lower, but this is a sign of weakness. After taking the liquidity here, didn't go higher. Well, didn't go gone. We didn't gone lower either, but um, yes, very hard to predict something on weekly right now. We got this imbalance has been respected so far. I'm now put it here right now, and why not carrying it on daily? See what's doing. No, um, well, no, let me. It's loading too much information on my chart. I'm not delete this one. It's no need. You see the imbalance here. If you don't know what the imbalance is, go study ICT. There is a lot of explanation out there online, and yeah, I may post my explanations too and the way I see imbalances and I use them, but not now. So right now on weekly, a lot of contradiction. I think we may be in accumulation phase, and I won't take action on weekly, not for now at least. Um, going down on daily. Well, let me. You wanna see something? You wanna see break on the upside or break on the downside? So you will have something in mind. As I had previous week, liquidity didn't close above. I was laying bearish in the beginning of the week and then bullish. So expected. So the market reacted as expected. Okay, did go as far as I thought. Did run the liquidity? No. May run the liquidity? Yes. Will run the liquidity? I don't know. Um. Yes. Now going on daily, we have this. The structure stays pretty much the same. I will I expect some deeper pullback, maybe run out the liquidity, but it's hard to know right now. Also, we got the order block here, but look, was touched once, didn't close lower, respected the imbalance here. Yes, respected the order block, but look, you have an imbalance here and you respected the imbalance here, so it's hard to say what's gonna be next. I'm gonna put the imbalance, the daily imbalance here, and the daily order block, and pretty much we are staying between those two right now. So I don't have any plan. I wait. It's only waiting for me next week. Well, I wait anyway. I don't have a count, but I still do my job. Like uh, uh regardless, I have an account, I place trades, I still do my analysis, I still look at the charts, I still look where I should enter. Okay? So I stay focused. Now on 4 hour, we see that look, um in the daily order block, okay, um we do this. We have the big imbalance here with low liquidity, but we are still bullish. Okay, this is a sign of weakness. Took liquidity from above and run lower. I don't know. Maybe the start of next week. Maybe I don't have no idea. Literally, I don't know what to expect. This is the market looks. The way the market looks tells me stay away. Everywhere I look, it's only stay away. Just stay away. So in my case, I better miss few trades than take bad quality trades. Trust me, I had to learn it hard way. Um, and yes, everything you see me doing here, I will copy on the live account. I will do this. Okay, right now this was no, yeah, nothing too much. Maybe look, the daily needs a pullback. The 4 hour it's still bullish. The internal were bearish. You see, were bearish, and the fracts. So and then the internal switch bullish on 4 hours. So it may go higher. It's like literally you cannot know. I still think it's gonna go lower. I still, if I see shorts, I would, yo, I don't have account, but it's like you don't have a bias if you see shorts and market being extremely short in the beginning of the week or later, who knows. Um, yes, you take shorts, but if you see market being long, hmm, I don't know. We swept a hell of liquidity here. So not very confident in longs. Okay. Um. Okay, we copy those, move them on 1 hour, and see what the 1 hourly chart tell us. Well, 1 hour is pretty bullish right now. Like here we close above, stable liquidity below, run higher. 1 hour is higher, but also we took this liquidity here, and this one, and this one, and then reverse this imbalance. Reverse this imbalance, made a little, yeah, okay. Look, this looks pretty short on 1 hour, but 4 hours, not that short, you know. Okay, we tap, taped. We touch the middle point of the daily order block, but not that not that big of the deal. If you look here, yes, you have more conferences, but look and uh be aware that this is a order block, a pretty a pretty visible one, so hard. Okay, you have to see, you have to to see. This is a bad trade place to pick it to place a trade, because your stop loss should be miles away, here, and take profit. Ooh, like, it's a bad trade because it's also on sure one, like a lot of contradictions on every time frame. Like for 1 to 2, it's not worth the risk. Like, too many contradictions. Okay, if you got this fill price right, no, right after the imbalance being, right after closure below the imbalance, um, maybe you could have put your stop loss here, then manage to lower it here, or yeah, or just let it like it is, and you would already have 101 in 2 hours later. Like, but this was Friday. Um, uh, the trade was in last 2 hours of Friday. Who the hell is trading then? Okay, so pretty much this was nothing, not too much for the next week. We have some news. Pretty much, the most news are on Monday. Also Tuesday on GBP and USD. Wednesday, yeah, yeah. I if I wanna be in a trade, I wanna be Monday and Tuesday. Uh, Not too much of news, so many news, but not strong news. Tuesday, not on New. Yeah, this is this may drive the market a little bit more, but yes, Monday and Tuesday would be the days. And on 1 hour, I'm lying short, but I don't trade that much on. Yeah, I'm not it here. I don't trade that much on 1 hour. Um, and yes, very, very unclear. Look, these imbalance were also respected the 4 hour one. This, but you still got a order block. That's you may go lower, take the liquidity here. So there may be a chance to go from to have a trade till here, or who knows, maybe till this order block here. This also very nice order block on 1 hour that has to take the liquidity here. And yes, uh, it deserves to pay attention. But right now, I think we are in a accumulation area, and until we break some higher or lower, you better stay away from the market. Okay. Well, this was the weekly analysis. Not too much. This time I made a shorter clip. I hope you enjoy. I hope it helps you, and I'm coming with better ones in the future.